Hello and welcome to a new video on tutorials for Moon Invoice application. Today we will see how to generate expenses with the application and keep a track of all the expenses made by your company. Let's begin. You can create a new expense through the Expenses tab in the application. Just click on the tab, click on the plus sign to create a new expense. Select the vendor. You can choose the date of your wish, currency. Select a category for the expense. Select a payment type, shipping cost if applicable, the expense amount. You can also add a tax to your expense. You can set the expense to be a recurring expense if you wish. You can also add an image for the receipt for the expense. Once you are satisfied with all the changes, just click on Save. As you can see, a new expense is created in the list. You can also create an invoice for the expense. You can do this directly from the Expense tab. Just click on the Create Invoice option here at the bottom of the expense. As you can see, the expense is added in the invoice. Just select the customer for which you wish to create the invoice and click on Save. A new invoice has been created with the expense details. If you go back to the Expenses tab, you will see that the expense is already invoiced. You can also create a report for all your expenses with the application. You can do this through the Home tab. Just scroll down and go to Expense Report. Here you can see all the expenses that are recorded with the application. You can also filter them based on the categories. You can export them as a CSV or a PDF file. You can also filter the expenses for different dates or for your different vendors. The preview and print option will allow you to view the expense report. You can create the expense report as per category, vendor, or month. Let's see how the expense report looks like if we select month. As you can see that you can see all the expenses for each month in the expense report. You can just print it or email it. So this is how you can keep track of all your expenses with the application. Thank you.